Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ServiceNow with Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect ServiceNow with Microsoft Teams, begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Application Navigator on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and select the integration application. If you do not see the Microsoft Teams integration, you may need to install it from the ServiceNow store. To do this, go to the ServiceNow store and search for Microsoft Teams. Click on the application to view its details. Then, select the Get button to install the integration. Once installed, return to the ServiceNow instance. Open the Microsoft Teams integration application from the Application Navigator. You will need to configure the connection settings. Enter your Microsoft Teams credentials when prompted. You may need to grant necessary permissions for the integration to access Microsoft Teams. Next, set up the desired notification channels within ServiceNow. Specify which updates or incidents should trigger notifications in Microsoft Teams. You can customize the messages that will be sent to your Teams channel. After configuring the notifications, ensure to save your settings. To test the integration, create a sample incident in ServiceNow. Check the linked Microsoft Teams channel to see if a notification appears. If the notification appears successfully, the integration is working. Adjust any settings as necessary to meet your organization's requirements. Regularly review and maintain the integration for optimal performance. This process will help streamline communication between ServiceNow and Microsoft Teams. You are now set to leverage the capabilities of both platforms effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.